Hey, this is Donnie out in Rogue River, Southern Oregon. Up for sale is my 1969 Ford F100 short bed. Ready for you to consider. Let's do a walkthrough, show you the good and bad, and you can make your own decision on if you think this truck is for you. It's an Oregon truck. Been in Oregon for a long time. It's a two-wheel drive, short bed, 3-speed automatic with a 302 with an RV cam. Running very well. Near new tires. Brakes have been gone through. Super straight tailgate there. Actually, it's a straight body. Now the downside to this truck is it does have some rust areas. And I'll point out everything I know. Pretty much the bottom of the doors, the front fender, and roof of the cab on both sides. The bed on both ends has some rot through. Or ventilation, whatever you want to call it. Spare tire and wheel that matches the others. There's a plastic bed liner that will be in here to cover this stuff up. I'm sure that bed liner is probably partly to blame for this bed. But straight she is. So at the bottom of this fender, bottom of that door, bottom of that door. So I'd call this a bodyman special, or just drive it how it is. Up to you, of course. Tires got plenty of tread on them. This is the only actual ding, if you will, on the body, and then the chrome right there. Other than that, not too shabby. $100. Interior's pretty basic. Seat could probably use some upholstery. Dash pad's not too bad, considering. You got that one crack right down the center. Mend it, replace it, whatever suits you. I do have a faceplate to the stereo that will come with the truck. Windows roll up and down. Hinges are pretty darn good. There's a couple more cracks over here. Windshield's got a small crack there, and I don't know if I can see this. One there. So if that bugs you, I guess it needs replaced. And on the floorboard on this side, there's a small area here where there's some rot. So under the hood is a, like I said, a 302. Unverified, but pretty sure it's a 302. It's got a C4 transmission. And running really well, which you'll hear in a moment. The exhaust system needs replaced. Get down to show you. It's I believe it's got two pipes coming out. One is not bad. Driver's side. So that's the passenger side. That one's been cut off for some reason, or rusted off, or who knows what, but it's off. So I would say I need to replace exhaust mufflers. Alright, start it up. No smoking. It's a little loud because of the exhaust leak. You know, it sounds pretty cool with some new mufflers on there. Take it for a spin so you can see that it goes down the road. gauge works and the fuel gauge works, but the temperature and the alternator gauge does not work. Choke works, cargo light works, exterior cargo light, and the lights are working. Wipers.